hot chicken Sando. And then I also got their lemonade of the day, the tropical lemonade. It's pretty hot here in LA today, so let's try the lemonade first. Ooh, that's sweet. Gotta let the ice melt a little bit, but that's really good, really refreshing. Enough pucker. Ooh. All right, here's the main star of the show. Wow, look at this wrapping situation. Ooh, look at that sandwich. It's got coleslaw on it. A big piece of fried chicken. I think it's chicken thigh. Hopefully it's chicken thigh so it can stay juicy. Let's take a bite.